Hold out the girl by your side. She's feeding your pride as you go for the ride down the Star Mile. Words arise and she lets you come in. The duel begins to the Hollywood Inn of the lonely, and all the cold dust in her eyes won't reform into rain. You had and lost the one thing you kept in a safe place. Remember the face of the girl who had made you her own, and now you left her alone. All's well at the base of the hill. You might need to fill a prescription to kill off the silence. Look down from your tower on high and take in the night. Look her right in the eye. She'll listen, and all the cold dust in her eyes won't reform into rain. You had and lost the one thing you kept in a safe place. Remember the face of the girl who made her own, and how you left her alone. Life comes to those little truths, the regular news over if you burn the road that'll lead you back to her in time, I'll watch you turn to stone. Can't find the sublime, she's moving on without you. The tide breaks, you watch the stars fade, they gather you back to home. I guess it's better than being alone. Thank you. And that was Star Mile by Joshua Reed. If anyone was a fan of